All right, what do you got, Calvin?
Got this pink. They packed it way gooder. So, I had to practice thing.
Oh, they packed it way better than the broken one? Yeah, this is our second one.
You can't talk to them.
Okay, sorry.
I could talk to the fans.
Can I talk to you?
Need batteries. Okay, let's do it again, fans. I'm gonna do something. Who's your name who's watching this video? Actually, press a coin down and Godzilla grabs it. Boom, boom.
Wait, is that 80s Godzilla?
Yeah.
All right.
This is not 80s Godzilla.
No, it's not?
No.
Okay.
See, look.
Oh yeah, that's the current Godzilla there.
What?
Right? That's the current Godzilla right there, right?
What's current?
Current means the recent Godzilla, the Godzilla they make right now. Some of that music sounds like 80s Godzilla.